Coconut butter contains more magnesium, iron, and potassium than coconut oil. Make your own like this. Many different people around the world are using this super healthy ingredient. But did you know that some people also use its relative, the coconut butter? Well, this type of butter can be used in many different ways, such as, you can spread it on a piece of toast or just some coconut butter in your coffee. But you should know that even though they come from the same tree, they are completely different products. First, you should know that the coconut butter is made by blending all parts of the coconut including the flesh. And the coconut oil is simply extracted from the actual fruit. And this is why the coconut butter contains more fiber, potassium, magnesium and iron in addition to fat. Well, the only thing that these two coconut products have in common is that they both have a lot to offer for your health in general. Coconut butter health benefits. It will boost your immune system. It's because coconut butter is a good source of lauric acid. You should know that this type of acid is very useful for boosting your immune system and destroying the harmful bacteria, viruses and fungi. Lauric acid is the same acid which is found in breast milk, and it's responsible for developing the immune system to fight off viral and fungal infections. It speeds up the weight loss process. So if you want to lose weight much faster, then you should definitely include coconut butter in your healthy diet. The coconut butter will boost your metabolism, which will help you lose weight. Well, you should know that if your metabolism is boosted, your body will break up the food much faster and it will give you more energy to burn more calories, and you will lose weight much faster. Coconut butter contains high amounts of healthy fats which are very good for you. Your body uses these fats as an energy supply rather than fat storage. These healthy fats will make you feel full much longer and you will lose weight. You should add 2 teaspoons of coconut butter in your healthy diet per day. And just after 2 weeks you will notice a big difference. Coconut butter will protect your skin. This super healthy butter will help you feel good, but you should also know that it will help you look good as well. It's because coconut butter can protect you against free radicals that may damage your skin. We can also mention that it's a great moisturizer because it's able to penetrate the deep layers of the skin and to strengthen the skin cells. You should also know that coconut butter can help you slow down the aging process, by improving the skin's elasticity. Stabilizer blood sugar levels. As we all know, the blood sugar levels can have a huge impact on your weight. Because if you have high blood sugar levels, it will be hard for your body to break all that sugar down. And the bad thing is that all extra sugar which is not used by the body is stored as a fat tissue. So by adding coconut butter to your healthy diet, you will normalize and lower your glycemic index. This will help you prevent your blood sugar levels from spiking. You should also know that coconut butter will protect you from insulin resistance, which is often related with type 2 diabetes. Delicious ways to use coconut butter. First, you should know that coconut butter can be added to many different foods, meals, and beverages. Coconut butter is rich in flavor and it's very easy to incorporate this ingredient into many different meals, snacks, or your favorite drinks. So if you include coconut butter in your healthy diet, you can enjoy the delicious and flavorful meals and you will lose some extra pounds on the way. And you will also provide many healthy nutrients for your brain and your organism. First, you can spoon coconut butter straight from the jar and eat it. It's very good. Or you can melt it and pour it over a sweet potato or winter squash. You will love it. You can add some coconut butter in a curry dish or stir fry for an extra amazing flavor. Add some coconut butter to your favorite smoothie. It doesn't get more refreshing than this. You can also spread it over toast in place of real butter and add some almond butter for a satisfying snack. Pour some melted coconut butter over berries or other fruit in a bowl for an amazing dessert. You can use it with some shrimp or chicken and add some hot sauce as well. But if you're a vegetarian, you can toss it with tofu instead. You should add 1 tablespoon of coconut butter to some cacao nibs for an antioxidant bursting treat. Use it in place of dairy butter in baking for a healthier fat. This tends to make baked goods a little drier, so you'll need to add a little more of a moist ingredient such as fruit puree or oil. Note, you can also blend coconut butter with many different tasty ingredients to make delicious coconut spreads. Here are some delicious recipes. Coconut butter spread recipes. Espresso cacao chip coconut spread. 5 tablespoon coconut butter, 1 shot espresso warm about room temperature, 1 teaspoon raw cacao nibs, 1/2 banana or try subbing avocado, 2 teaspoon cacao powder or another teaspoon of nibs, dash cinnamon, 2 teaspoon maple or agave syrup, pinch salt. Spicy goji coconut spread. 5 tablespoon coconut butter, 2 tablespoon goji berries soaked in warm water for at least 20 minutes. Drain water before adding, 1 banana, 2 dashes cayenne optional, 1 to 3 teaspoon maple or agave syrup. Simple strawberry. 5 tablespoon virgin coconut oil, 5 to 6 strawberries, pinch salt, 2 teaspoon maple or agave syrup. Almond butter coconut spread. 2 tablespoon almond butter, 3 tablespoon virgin coconut butter, 1 banana, 1 to 2 teaspoon maple or agave syrup, pinch salt, dash cinnamon. Directions. Here's how to make all coconut butter spread recipes. You need to add all ingredient in a blender or food processor and blend until creamy. Note, if you need more liquid when you blend the spread recipe, then you should add some non-dairy milk or water as needed. But if it's too runny, then you should put it in a refrigerator or a freezer for a bit until it firms up. You can store it in your refrigerator for couple of weeks. This super healthy ingredient will make you feel better, and it will also make you look better. So just go to the local store and buy some coconut butter. You will be amazed by the results. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. Thank you.